freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over we. And before I be on a slave, I want to be buried in my grave and going home to my God and be free. Come on, children, you ain't know the song? Oh, freedom. Say that. Oh, one more time. Over me, and before I be a slave, I want to be buried in my grave and going home to my God and be free. We're going to try that one more again. Let me see if y'all know what y'all to do now. Oh. Over me, and before I be on a slave, I going to be buried in my grave and going home to my God and be free. Thank you all. Good morning.
Yeah, I was looking for you.
How do you do? Good. Well, thank you all for showing up and holding space today. We are here today because this is a Penn Center Heritage Day. And Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, she is actually the chairperson this year for the Penn Center Heritage Day. So I want y'all to give her a big hand, please. Y'all feeling all right? Great. So now we're going to bring on Queen Quet. She's Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. She's traveled all over the world telling people who we are down here. She is a mathematician. She's an author. She's everything. And you can be everything also. Right now, before any further ado, I bring to you Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Say Gullah. Say Geechee. Say Africa. That's all me. That's all me. That's all me. Okay then, children, I been want to see if one of the children done wake up this morning. What going on, children? One of the children bless up today? I bless up because you know why? Because all the 100 children did and things like that they with me on my island, St. Helena Island, so Skakalaki, in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Who from St. Helena? Say yeah! Yeah! Okay then, now what I talking about? Say rah! 100 children that say rah! Why? Because what? They're not just panthers. What color? Say it right. Because why? Black Panthers! Say it right. Black Panthers! Where your claws at? Where them claws at? Where them claws at? Round! Where them claws at? Round! Say hell no, Chuck! No! And I know I don't welcome all the rest of school, but I have to show up a little bit, you know. Because this is the home island, and that's my school. You see what I'm talking about? I alumni. I'm proud to be a Black Panther. I ain't just a Panther. I'm proud to be a Black Panther. I tell them people all over the world, they will say, where I want to go to school like Queen? I say, St. Helena. They say, they look around. Yeah, study, but where I college at? I say, you ask me where I been going to school at and anything like that. They say, huh? I said, oh, you asked where I got my education, right? I said, so my education came from St. Helena. And then they said, well, where is that? Because they don't know where that college is. And I said, it's a sea island in the Gullah Geechee Nation. They said, a sea island? What is that? Anyone 100 children know where the Gullah Geechee Nation started? Anybody know? Oh, y'all trifling down. What kind of thing this year? All that time I've been spending in Centennial School and things like that. Oh no. Principal Goodwine Lewis, all of them get an F today. Everybody white see you, y'all are rah-rah, and y'all remember that? Okay, then y'all trifling. Let me see, my Jasper County, y'all, yeah? That's why I talk about Jasper County, Ocha. Yeah, no, y'all have an upstate, y'all gotta do better. Jasper, where the Gullah Geechee Nation started, y'all know? Oh, Lord, again, y'all flunked too. What kind of thing this year? Okay, anybody from another school district? Anybody outside of Beaufort County School District? Any homeschoolers? Okay, then y'all all in the same district, so I know who to run these districts and things. I could get on all of them. All of them. Okay, so look here. Let me tell you. Y'all Yeddi this now. Yeddi this. The Gullah Geechee Nation started in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Said Jacksonville. And it going all the way down to Jacksonville, Florida. Said Jacksonville. Y'all ever hear them chillun say, Duval? Y'all hear that before? Okay, that way Jacksonville, Florida today is Duval. Y'all hear it? I'm living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. Living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. Don't play like y'all ain't know, cause y'all be to blast them up in your parents' car. Shut show off today. Y'all can use your outside voice. Y'all ain't get to the school. So now, what that man name? Lil Duval. That cause he to represent Duval. Down in where now? So now, if I say, we start with? And where? North Carolina. There we go. And we go down to where now? And what state? Florida. And then we take up all of these islands. What kind of islands? See how there we go. And we go all the way inland. 35 miles to a river called the St. John's River. Can y'all say St. John's? Okay then. So now we start where now? Go down. Go into St. John's River. Take up all the what kind of islands? Where people are cracking teeth like this year, when you Yeddi this year, what that is? Come on now. It's a Gullah, ain't it? Okay? But if I say, get on and get that thing, what that is? That Geechee, ain't it? Okay, and if I talk like this, what is this? That's American English. Don't say standard English, just say American English. Because over in England, darling, the Queen never believed you spoke English, darling. She thought it was poppycock. Okay? So now, if you hear me say, ¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo está usted? Spanish. Je parle français. Menga def. I got you that time. Oh, Lord. All right, so now, that wasn't German. That was one of the plethora of languages from the motherland. So if I say, Al Kebula, no, that was Wolof. That was Wolof. So now, if I said to you, the motherland, where am I referring to? Just think about it, right? What continent? What continent? That many of the native Gullah Geechees find our ancestry, including the indigenous Americans that were already here. In this place that people have taught you to now call Carolina. There was no North and South Carolina when they renamed Chicora or Chicora to Carolina after someone else who never came here in our life. Okay, someone named Princess Caroline from England, but they thought they could just rename things. Well, for a long time, people felt like they could just rename us, who are native Gullah Geechees. People were calling us slaves when our ancestors were African and indigenous people who were enslaved. Okay, so never call someone a slave. They're born a person. They're a whole person, not 3/5 of a human. Like they'll teach you with the 3/5 clause in history classes about America. But we're whole people. And as a mathematician, 5 over 5 is what you got, which makes 1, which is a whole. God didn't ever make a part of nothing. God made you whole like you are. So whatever your culture is, whatever your community is, whatever language you speak, you celebrate doing it. And like my boys say, say it with your chest. All right? So you should be proud of who you are. So you don't go anywhere in the world and let nobody make you do this. Now, only time you doing this, because you to act up and you in the act like we raised you right. No, so I ain't want never know say, you have to do this. Some of y'all that do trifling thing and y'all still wouldn't put your head down because you ain't got no shame. But we gonna have to learn you that. Manners gonna take on them when money can't. So, does it hurt if I say good morning? Did that hurt y'all? How that felt? It felt good, right? If I say, hey, what's up, y'all? How you feel? Good. You feel better? You feel excited. See, that's what I'm talking about. But if I just said, hey, what's up? How you feel then? Bored, tired, right? You don't want that. So you want to bring that joy wherever you go. You want to bring that positivity, that excited energy, because it does then connect to everybody there. It's sweet like water in a wave. One lady been over here, I ain't gonna point them out. When she first would get to the stage, I've been to say, great God, let me pray for them, because they've been to look at me like, Dutch. And I said, I ain't first know how white do them. But now, after we would do that song, I see her start look like this. I said, now that face look much better. I'm glad you will see that. So you see how that energy spread? So what kind of energy we should spread in the world? Positive energy. We spread joy and love and positivity. We can't do nothing but get it back. Okay? So now, honey children, y'all ready to bring the drum back? Y'all think y'all can help me bring the drum back? Let me see how far we can go. Let me see if we can get Kilombo. Let me see how far we can go. Let me see if we can get to Kilombo. So y'all say, Jumbo Kilombo. Jumbo Kilombo. Say Jumbo Kilombo. Jumbo Kilombo. So welcome all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. Then chillun and come back to St. Helena Island. Let's welcome to we island Kilombo drummers and dancers, y'all.
Kilombo prayer to the creator of all things, both mother and father, known by many, many names. Asante Sana, thank you for this day. Asante Sana, thank you for creating us in your image. Asante Sana, thank you for giving us minds to think, bodies to move, and spirits to rejoice. Help each of us contribute to the unity of this place. Help us to be kind in word and deed as we move closer to liberation of our people, of hidden our rule, love and freedom. Ashe. The Kilombo libation. All ancestors. Ashe. Blacker than the skies at midnight. Ashe. Brighter than the noonday sun. Ashe. Into all the beautiful shades of Africa in between. Ashe. Field hands. Ashe. House servants. Ashe. Factory workers. Ashe. Teachers. Ashe. Preachers. Ashe. Freedom fighters. Ashe. Those who resisted in silence. Ashe. Those who resisted out loud. Ashe. Those who rose on the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. Ashe. Those who chose to survive. Ashe. Great ancient priests, warriors, and mystic scientists. Ashe. Give us the inspiration to fight 1,000 lions. Ashe. Give us the enlightenment to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Ashe. Give us the such and the triumph of the tropical swamps of this harmony. Ashe. Praise for our Black African names. Ashe. Help us in the time of need. Ashe. Umoja. Ashe. Now calling our personal ancestors. Now calling your national ancestors. Ashe. Ashe. Kobe Bryant. Ashe. Queen Nefertiti. Ashe. Muhammad Ali. Ashe. Melinda Sutton. Ashe. 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 Septima Clark. Ashe. Cornelio Bailey. Ashe. 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 It's an old children yet to be born. We say Ashe. 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 The Kilombo affirmation. We're African children and we are divine. We're capable of doing all things. We belong to a family of Africans worldwide. We follow the footsteps of our ancestors. We are the wings of their greatness. Individually we are strong, but collectively we are mighty.
peace, right? We want some healing. We want some unity. So when we beat the drums, that's the energy we want. We want that positivity, that people know we never gave up our drums. We never give up our land. We never give up our right to freedom. So don't you ever let nobody try to make you feel like you don't have the right to be free. St. Helena, y'all with me? Yeah. Y'all ready? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. I say y'all ready, y'all ain't been ready. See, y'all ain't been ready because y'all been ready. But I say, let's go, y'all would have went. When I move, you move. When I move, you move. When I move, you move. Okay, St. Helena, bring that back. Y'all ready? Let's go. Now, St. Helena needs some cheering on. So we brought out the Panthers, the Black Panthers, cheerleaders today. So we're going to see what they're able to do. We're going to see if they cheer us all on and cheer us all up. But I think it would help them if y'all start off a little roar for them too. Can y'all do that? So now, y'all ready? St. Helena? Y'all ready? Yeah, let's go!
Hey, hello, and how do you do? We're St. Helena Panthers and we welcome you. With the H-E-L-L-O, Panthers say hello. I bet you wanna learn. 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 So what's up? Let's learn some. So what's up? Let's learn some. You got to learn. And do it. And do it. Learn. And do it. And do it. You got to learn. You got to learn. You got to learn. You got to learn. You got to L-E-A-R-N and do it. L-E-A-R-N and do it. And do it. And do it. L-E-A-R-N and do it. L-E-A-R-N and do it. And do it. And do it. You got to read. 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 R-E-A-D. Read. Read. You got to read. You got to read.
You got to
Read.
You got to
Read.
You got to If you want to be freed, you got to. If you want to be freed, you got to. If you want to be freed, you got to. See how that went? I ain't even going to the school of practice or nothing with that chili. You see how God make that thing happen? We just crack, we teach the snap a kid or him in a reader thing like that and church come from here and say, you got to. You got to. So guess what? Today, each one of your classrooms will be able to get books to take back. so that you can continue to read. All right? You're welcome. But now, you're welcome. Man is going to take on the way money kids. Y'all done learn that. I like that. But guess what? You know, I want y'all to do something first. Y'all got good manners. So now, guess who out here with me today? My mama. And my mama went to this school. I ain't gonna tell you how old she is. She might want to tell you, but I ain't gonna tell. But y'all see her waving? Say good morning. Good morning. Say, how you feel, ma'am? How you feel, ma'am? She said, I'm fine. So she is so happy to see all of her children here to her school. Okay? She even from this school. My daddy going to this school and all of that. But I going to St. Helena School. Because in 1950s, they closed Penn School. And then they opened St. Helena School. And St. Helena School wasn't always just an early learning center and an elementary school. It went through K through 12 here on St. Helena. All right? All right? Enjoy the rest of the day. Peace and love. Be safe. You must